Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to the online classes. In the previous session, I introduced the poem The Rebel, written by DJ Enright. The writer is Danish Joseph Enright. Today, let us discuss the meaning of the poem. Let us start. Here we have the first stanza. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. Rebel is a person or teenager who always stands against the group of the people or society, who doesn't believe the common rules of the society, who acts differently. He always stands opposite to the people. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. In the group of people who have short hair, he wants to have his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. Opposite to that, when the people would like to have their long hair at the time, the rebel cuts his hair short. Next, when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. In a class, a teenager, a young boy who is rebel, when everybody talks during the lesson, when the students discuss about the lesson in the class, at that time the rebel doesn't say a word. He doesn't interact with them. He doesn't take part in the session. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When the class is going on silently, at that time, when nobody talks during the lesson, at that time the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. This is about his dress. When everybody wears uniform to the school, at that time, on that day, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. He doesn't want to wear uniform to school. When everybody wears fantastic clothes on special occasion, when the students wear fantastic colored dress, at the time the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means sadly. Next, in the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts a good word for dogs. When everyone wants to have the dog as pet, at that time the rebel wants to have cat as pet. In the company of cat lovers, in the group of people who likes to have cat as their pet, at that time the rebel puts a word uh, puts a good word for dogs. He describes the qualities of dogs. Next, when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. When everybody greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. It is about seasons. When everybody is praising the sun, when everyone is describing the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. During the summer, the rebel expects to have, desires to have the rain. When everybody when everybody greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. When everyone enjoys the rainy day, at that time the rebel regrets the absence of sun. He worries about the summer day. Next, when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When all the group when all the members of the group go to the meeting, at that time the rebel stays at home and reads the book. He spent his time by reading the book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everyone would like to have a book to read, at that time the rebel goes to the meeting. This is how he acts differently. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. He always acts differently. And everyone says yes please while offering juice or sweet. The people or the members of the group say yes please. The rebel says at that time no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Lastly, it is very good that we have rebels in our group, in our society. We have rebels. It is very good. You may not find it very good to be one. We would like to have a rebel in our group, but we don't want to be a rebel on our own. We don't want to be a rebel. This is the meaning of the poem. Recite this poem again and again and be ready for the summary of the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.